Guys, am I audible? Please let me know, guys. You can start the session. Guys, am I audible? Please let me know in the chat box. Yeah, fine. Am I audible, guys? Please let me know. You can start the session now. Fine. Okay. The last session was discussed about very basic items. What are those? Array list and set and hash map. I hope you guys clear on these things, right? I hope you clear on this. Okay, fine. So today we'll discuss introduction about 2D arrays. Guys, tomorrow onwards we are going to be solving actual questions, guys. This is only introduction. 2D arrays. What does it mean by 2D arrays, guys? 2D arrays mean matrices. Let's suppose arrays, how many times arrays? Either one dimensional array, 1D, and multi-dimensional. Right, guys? We can say one dimension means, let's suppose, take this one. It is only one way, right? Let's suppose it is only one way. Let's suppose if you can talk like left to right, it is only one way. But multi-dimensional arrays means, let's suppose if we take 2D array, it will be like this, right, guys? It has two dimensions, left to right and same as top to bottom. Right, guys? So for the DSA point of view, like data structure and algorithm, we have already covered one-dimensional arrays. Now we talk about two-dimensional arrays. That's the matrix. Okay. Guys, some guys will confuse here. 2-dimension means not 2 by 2. Not 2 by 2. 2-dimension means rows and columns. You have to remember this one. Most of the guys will confuse here. 2D means not 2 by 2, guys. 2-dimension means rows and columns. Okay, let's suppose how we called as like, let's suppose it has M1. Let's take one matrix here, 2-dimension array. It has, somebody said like this, M by N. Here M will represent rows, number of rows. N will represent number of columns. Guys, what does it mean? Let's suppose we can take it as a 4 by 3 matrix. 4 rows and 3 columns. Means first we have to represent the rows. How we are going to be represent? 0. This is the 1. This is the 2. And this is the 3. So total how many? These are 4. Total 4 rows. Okay. Now columns. How many columns? These are total 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2. Guys, understand this one? These are rows. These are rows. These are columns. Columns. So how we represent the elements then? Elements then. Guys, check cross point. If you come here, if you do like that, what is this point? This point will be, element will be 0, 0. What is the element here? This one, 0, 1. Guys, how we will know which element? We have to check first row. Which row this element? 0th row, right? 0. Which column this is? First column. So that's why 0, 1. Guys, understand this one? The same way, what does it mean? 0, 2. 0th row and second column. This will represent 0, 2. Guys, you can clearly see, if you want to, if they have given one M by N matrix, M by N matrix, this is the rows, this is the column. They have given M by N matrix. That means the least value will be 0. For row also least value will be 0. Column also least value will be 0. And what is the highest value for this one? Guys, we have given M by N rows and columns. What is the highest value for row? Always be M minus 1. Same as array concept. N value will be N minus 1. Guys, just tell me, this is one array. Let's suppose this size is 4. What is the highest index of this one, guys? This array? What is the highest index? Highest index will be 3. Right, guys? 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 will be the highest. How we know that? This one array length minus 1. Right, guys? Length minus 1. Same way, least will be 0. Highest will be M minus 1. Same way, N minus 1. Guys, I hope you clear. These elements how we are going to be take. Okay, let's take second row elements. What is this value? This is the first row and 0 column. 1, 0. What will be this value, guys? 1, 1. What is this value? Guys, why I am telling this all the things? Because if you don't know this basics, you are not gonna solve some easy questions as well. Like traverse, like spiral printing. These are all will be depend on these basic concept only. If you know what is the highest value here in the row, what will be the highest value? What will be the lowest value in a row? Same way, you supposed to know column highest value and column lowest value. If you know these things, we are going to be easily traverse to this array. Okay, fine. What will be the second row, guys? 2, 0, 2, 1, and same as 2, 2. Okay, guys, what will be the third? 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2. Guys, please check this one. If you consider this is as a matrix, how the values will be, guys? Like this. Right, guys? Have you understand this one? How many columns here? 0, 1, 2. Means total 3 columns. How many rows here? 0, 1, 2, 3. Means 4 columns. Sorry, 4 rows. And these are 3 columns. 3 columns. Guys, wait a second, guys. Okay. I hope you clear on this. Guys, you have to remember one thing. Always when you talk about m by n matrix, highest value will be m minus 1 and low. Same as a, these are rows m minus 1 and column m minus 1. This is very important. Because if you don't know the which one is the last, you may get compile time error. Array bound of compile time error. Array index out of bound index error you will get. This is very important thing. Okay, let's travel to the entire matrix. Guys, traverse. What does it mean by traverse? Traverse means you have to go through the one element to the first element to the last element. How we are going to be traverse? How you are going to be go through every element? The first thing you supposed to know two things here. Row value and column value. So first we have to do two things, right? First one, you can see every time first we have to go to the row, then we are changing the indexes here. Same way, next row after column change, like that. So we have to take the first row value, like how we are going to be take int I equal to 0, I less than row, I plus plus. Now we have done how to go through the rows. Now we need actual elements in the column elements. How we are going to be do that one? Int j equal to 0, j less than column j plus plus. Guys, understand how we get the elements, guys, here? Let's suppose this is the array I and j. It is always gives the values. I hope you clear on this, guys. Please let me know. This is the basic concept for arrays, guys. Sorry, 2D arrays matrix. Please let me know. Have you understand this one or not? Guys, initial class. Guys, I hope you clear on this one. This is the basic thing. We'll tell you where these type of things we are going to be used. Let's suppose I have already initial days. I have told you given you one example. Let's suppose there is a ticket booking app. They ask you to, the train is going to be stop in a 5 stop. A, B, C, D, E. E. You have to implement the application to book a ticket. It is going starting from the A to E. How we are going to be implement this one? So you have to think about a matrix here in this case. How I will show you how to do that. Okay. Now every time can how I am doing you can understand later. We'll explain you. Guys, what does it mean? This is the one array form, matrix form. We are going to be represent actual ticket booking. How can we book any ticket from A to A, same station to same station? No. Can we book from A to B station? Yes. Can we book A to C station? Yes. Can we book A to D station? Yes. Can we book A to E station? Yes. And can we book B to A? Train actually start from A. It is going only this direction. Can we book B to A? No, we can't book. B2B, no. B2C, yes. B2D, yes. And B2E, yes. Guys, understand same way. C2A can be booked? No. C2B, no. C2C, no. C2D, yes. C2E, yes. The same way E also. Can we book E2A? No. E2B, no. E2C, no. E2D, no. Then E2E, no. Guys, understand? This is, have you seen, this is the actual matrix form. Matrix form. This is completely matrix form. If you want to ask you to implement the any application like a ticket booking, you have to remember this one. How we are going to be book this one. This is the actually simple concept. But you supposed to know, you have good at a basic, then you will understand how we are going to be do that. How we are going to be do, I will show you later. Okay. I hope you clear on this one. How we are going to be traverse this element. This is the two things. First one row, loop for the row, and loop, again one loop for the column. We are going to be traverse the elements. Guys, what is the time complexity of this one, guys? Please let me know. What is the time complexity of this one? This traverse of the array. Yes, O of n square. Guys, why it is O of n square, guys? You can see this one, this for loop, outer for loop. For the rows, it is going to be run in a n time. That's depend on the rows. Right? Let's take it as a m. Here m. What about column? This inner loop, how many times it runs? N times. So O of m by n. If m equal to n, in this case, what will happen? O of n square. Guys, have you understand this one? How we are going to be calculate the time complexity for this one? Guys, you have to remember one thing. Time complexity means how many times it runs. How many times it runs. In future, I will show you for inside for with only O of n time. I will show you, you will understand in future. Guys, always remember one thing. For inside for always not O of n square. You have to remember how many times it's going to be run. In this case, it is going to be run O of n times, m times and O of n times, totally O of mn. But if m equal to n, it is going to be n square. I hope you clear on this one. Okay, fine. This matrix is very important when we are going to be solve some application development questions. Let's suppose they have given you some, for example, like any booking application. Or they have given any like aeroplane seats regarding. They may give you some. This is the reservation booking, guys. This is movie ticket booking. These type of things, simple thing, we are going to be use the matrix. I will show you how to do that one. These things very important for the DSA. But while solving the application development, I will go in depth on these things. As of now, not needed these all the things. Okay. Guys, how we are going to be declare the two-dimensional array. This is the int we have to take two times here. One represents rows and another represents columns. This is the basic thing. Right, guys? I hope you understand this one, how we are going to be do. In this is the C, I think. In Java, how we are going to be do this? We have to create an object for this one. Let's suppose array equal to new int of right, guys. Here we have to give how many rows? Here we have to give how many columns. This is Java. Okay, guys. If you want to, let's suppose, guys, using this matrix in DSA, we have number of applications, guys, like interval, based on the interval questions will be based on the only matrix only. Like let's suppose they have given minimum number of platforms question, minimum number of platforms means one train will come at, let's suppose 80 minutes, will leave at 100 minutes. Another train will come at 90 minutes and will leave at 110 minutes. Another train will come at 120 minutes, will leave 130 minutes. These type of questions, interval based questions, we are going to be solved by using the two-dimensional matrices. And simple questions they have given like some intervals like 2, 3, 7, 8, 1, 1, 0, 3. They may ask you to measure all intervals. Measure all intervals. These type of problems we are going to be solved by using the matrices. Guys, you have to understand one thing. If you see any question on the matrix, that means it is medium to hard level question, guys. If you understand the basics of the arrays, you can solve this medium to hard level questions very easily. You can solve very easily. Okay, guys. As of now, guys, I'm telling you only basics because if you learn Java or if you want to learn Java, I've already given you one website, right? One YouTube channel. You can go through it. In DSA, in-depth is not needed. Just basics is needed. Okay, guys. And some questions they may give you like this, guys. They will give you 10, 9, 7, 8, 1, 3, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2. They may give you how from the start point to end point, how many ways you are going to be, how many ways you are going to be reached from starting point to ending point. This is the, I can say, this is the hard level question. And sometimes they may give you from starting index to ending index, which path has highest value. Highest value. Guys, these all the questions are, I can say, is moderate to hard level questions, guys. These are very, very important. And at least in Joho, at least you will get one question based on these things only. At least one question. Okay, guys. I am giving one array here. Sorry, matrices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Guys, how to represent these elements, guys? How we can represent? First, we have to take it as a rows 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. These are columns. These are the rows. Okay, guys. Let's do one thing. I want to sum up all the rows. I want to add up all the rows like this. How we are going to be do that one? Let's solve this one. Guys, in every matrix question, we have to use these only two loops. Wait, where I have done? These two loops only we are going to be used. This is very important. You have to remember this one. First thing we are going to be used for the rows. Second loop is going to be used for the columns. Mostly in 2D matrix means 2 by 2. O of n square complexity. You have to remember this one. Okay. I have given one sample matrix. Let's try how to we are going to be add all the rows. All the rows. Okay. Let's check here. We have to use two loops, right? Two loops. First, outer loop. This is we called as a outer loop, guys. Outer loop. This is we called as a inner loop. Inner loop. Okay. How we are going to be do that? Int I equal to 0. I less than rows. Rows. Here 3 rows. Okay, guys. I plus plus. I plus plus. And now inner loop. J equal to 0. J less than column. And J plus plus. Right, guys? Now here I am taking one variable called as a int sum. Int sum equal to 0. Okay, guys. Now how we are going to be sum of the elements in the row. Sum equal to sum plus array of. Here you have to understand one thing, guys. We have to give two values. First one will be row value, another value will be column value. Here row we are represented as I, J represented as a column. Before there is one array given, let's suppose they have given one array. Let's suppose 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you want to sum of these all the elements, how we have done that time? This is only one dimension, so only one loop here. Int I equal to 0, I less than array dot length, I plus plus. Right, guys? Here how we have done? Sum equal to sum plus array of I, only one element, because this is the only one dimension array. But in this case of matrix, we have to use two dimension array. So that's why we have to use two things here, I and J. I hope you clear on this one. Please let me know. Guys, please let me know, guys. Guys, try to do that one, and I need some of these three things. First row sum, and second row sum, and third row sum. Please do it your own and try to tell me what will be the output for this. Guys, easily by pen and paper you can do. I don't want that one. You have to do in a programmatic way. How it will work. Debug yourself and tell me. This is how it is going to be works. Please let me know. Okay. Guys, I asked you not to sum up all the elements. I asked you only sum for the each row. Each row. Each row. What will happen, guys, in this case? The first row sum will be 1 plus 2 plus 3. Here we are going to be print. First it will be print as a 6. And the second row, again some value here 0, right? So 4 plus 5 plus 6. What will happen second row? 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 16, 15. And what will be happen to the third row? 7 plus 8 plus 9. Total 24. Right, guys? Have you understand this one? Let's implement this one in the program. In Eclipse, we can implement, and I will show you how we can do this. Guys, let's implement the row sum. I called as a row sum. Okay. Guys, I'm going to be taking one two-dimensional array here. How I'm going to take? Please check, guys. 1, 2, 3, comma 4, 5, 6. And again 7, 8, 9. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm creating another method, static method, void row sum. Okay, guys. Now I need one matrix, right? So that's why here I am taking the parameter as this one. Guys, try to understand how I'm going to be implemented. This is the very basic thing, guys. Try to understand. Int, I need rows and columns. So how I'm going to be check this one. Int rows equal to array dot length. Array dot length. Guys, you can see directly how in one dimensional array we are taking same way array dot length. But here the twist is columns. How we are going to be find the columns? Array of, guys, here you have to understand. I'm giving the predefined all the rows and columns. That's why we are getting. If you know Java very well, you may find some different ways also. Okay, here I got the rows as directly array dot length, but columns array of 0. You can see, guys, array of 0 dot length. Okay, I need to traverse this through this array. I have taken for, so initially it will be rows, number of rows, guys. Rows. Second loop, inner loop for the columns, right, guys? Int j equal to, here you can see I am giving column j plus plus. First we just print the elements one by one. Then we are going to be do that other problem. Some of the problem. Okay, guys? Guys, check, guys, how I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to be run this one. Guys, see what happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It came. How we have given the values? In the same way values is came. Right, guys? Here I have given 1, 2, 3. Guys, you can see clearly here. I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is I have given as an array. Okay, I want to print this one same way. So that's why I have given, you can see clearly j rows, I is represent the rows and j is represent the column. So that's why I have given I means the row value, j means column value. Let's suppose if I given the reverse like j and I, guys, check what will happen, guys, in this case. I have changed the rows to columns and columns to rows. Let's check what happened. 147, 256, 369. Guys, if you change here rows to column, in place of I have put as a j. In place of j, I have given I. What will happen in this case? Rows is going to be changed to columns. Columns is going to be changed to. I hope you clear. I have given I and j. Let's check. This is you have to give always properly. Rows always be in row place and columns also column place. Here j is represent the column and for rows I. Right, guys? I hope you clear. This is one. Yes. Okay. Now what is our problem? Problem is row sum. I need to one sum value, sum equal to 0. Guys, you can check where I am taking the sum. Out of the for loop, both the for loop are Instead of the only outer inner for loop, here I am taking the sum inside the outer for loop, but outside of the inner for loop. You can see guys clearly. Okay, fine. Now I am going to add this one. Sum equal to sum plus array of I comma j. I comma j. I am going to be print this sum value after completion of the inner loop. You can check guys. First I have given the sum value 0, that is just before the loop, and I am going to be print the sum value after that particular loop. Oh, guys, check what the value 6 it came. 1 plus 2 plus 3 it gives 6 value. Same as 654 it gives the 15 value, and 987 it gives the 24 value. Guys, I hope you clear on this one. Please let me know. Okay, fine guys. This is the very base concept. Okay guys. Guys, please let me know what is the time complexity of this one and what is the space complexity of this one. This problem. Okay. Time complexity will be, first one is going to be running based on the rows, and the second loop will be runs based on the columns. Let's say this is the m, this is the n. So O of mn. Let's suppose if m equal to n, in this part, these will run in O of n square times. I hope you clear on this one. Okay. One base concept I am going to be explaining here, guys. Guys, we know how to sort the array, right? We know how to sort. They have given one dimension arrays. Let's suppose one dimension array. If you want to sort, how we are going to be do that? Using sort method. Simply array dot sort method. Guys, you have to remember one thing. Sometimes they explicitly ask you to implement sorting algorithm or some question based on the sorting techniques. In this time, the logic, if logic solo mainly based on the sorting techniques, that time you should not use, they won't allow you to use sorting, predefined sorting functions, guys. Let's suppose they have given you one array and they may ask you to find median. Find the median. Let's suppose they have given one array, two arrays, let's suppose unsorted arrays, let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. Unsorted array they have given, sorry, 8, 3, 4, 9, 1, G8, 9, 3. Let's suppose they have given unsorted arrays. They ask you to merge these two arrays and give the median of this, the median of this merged sum, median of the merged array. So here the actual logic, they are looking for the how we are going to be make this and how we are going to be sort this element. Sort. The logic is based on the mainly sorting algorithm. You have to use, you have to implement that one. In this case, they won't allow you to use sort, predefined sort operation, predefined sort function, they won't allow you. Understand? Let's suppose there is some other question like that question asks you to implement something else. That time sorting algorithm not important thing for the question. You can use the sorting algorithm, predefined sorting algorithm you can use. Predefined sorting algorithm you can use. Okay guys, I hope you understand when you can use, but in real time, in a programming real time like application development, you can use the sorting algorithm, everything you can, your wish, like predefined you can use, no issues. But the question in DSA question, if that is the logic they are looking for only sorting algorithm, So in that time, you are not allowed to use the predefined functions, predefined sorting methods. Okay, guys. A few days before, I have implemented. In few days before, I have implemented one method. I hope you have an idea method. So let's suppose they have given one array 9, 8, 3, 10, and 11. What will the result after the method? It will give like this 3, 8, 9, 10, and 11. You have to do lengthy process. You have to divide by like this. And after that, you have to merge one by one. Right, guys? We have done that one. But there is another way, simple way. Let's suppose this is the array ARR dot sort. This is predefined method. You can use this one. It will give the same value, same way. Here also time complexity will be O of n log n. Here also O of n log n. Guys, I hope you understand when you go for the predefined function, when you should not go. This is the basic difference, guys. I hope you clear on this one. Okay. Let's suppose in array based matrices based questions. Let's suppose they have given you. They have given you measure some events or some intervals. They may give you these type of questions. Let's suppose they have given you this type of questions. Here the what is the important thing? How we are going to be measured? How we are going to be measured? That is important thing here. Right, guys? In this case, if you want, you can use predefined sorting functions. You can use predefined. Because here they are expecting to match the events. So not for the sorting algorithm, how we are going to be implement. So that's why you can directly use the predefined functions. I think you already know how to sort the algorithm by when they have given one dimension array. But now I am going to be tell you how we are going to be sort the two-dimensional array. Let's suppose they have given one array, one matrix is here. In this way, we are going to be do that one now. Guys, this is a very important thing, guys. They have given here 3 by 4 matrix, guys. Means 3 rows and 4 columns. 0, 1, 2. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. They have given like this. They have given some values, guys, like this. 8, 1, 3. Let's suppose this is a 4. 2, 0, 1, 9. 1, 2, 8, 9. Let's suppose they have given like this. Now we want to sort this one. How we are going to be sort? This is the one predefined function. You have to remember this predefined function, guys. Guys, interval related questions, we are going to be use this predefined function. Guys, try to do understand this one, guys. This is the predefined one. You have to remember arrays dot sort. This is the normal method. Here you have to give what is your matrix name. Let's suppose here matrix name. Let's suppose intervals. Let's suppose that matrix names intervals. Guys, try to remember this thing, guys. This is very important. This is the one function. Arrow function, we call it as arrow function. A, B. Guys, here which element you are going to be sort? These are rows, right? Which element you are going to be sort based on? Let's suppose this is the 0, this is the 1 index, this is the 2 index. Which row, which column? That means which element based on you are going to be sort. Let's suppose I want to sort by using first element minus p of 0. I need only based on the first elements. These are the first elements, right? Every row, these are first elements. We are going to be do like this. After, what will be the actual matrix will be? Which is the lesser one? This one will be less. So it will be comes first. Like 1, 2, 8, 9, it will comes first. What is the next one? 2, 0, 1, 9, it will comes next. Last one will be 8, 1, 2, 9. Guys, this is very important and you have to remember this one. There is no other way. Arrays dot sort. Here the interval name. Which name, which matrix, what is the name of that matrix? You have to give that one. And other thing is the arrow function you have to give. I am taking the two rows here. I take one row as A, another row as B. I have to do based on this operation. I will implement this one, then you will understand easily. Okay, guys, we'll implement this one. Okay, guys, I have taken one matrices here. Try to understand how I'm going to be implement this one. Guys, check guys first. I need static method. I don't need to return anything, so that's why void. I called as a, let's suppose find. I called as a method name as a find. Okay. Int array. You can give any name here, your wish. You can give like a matrix. Okay. Guys, try to understand how. First, I am going to be find the row value. How you are going to be? How I am going to be find the row value? Matrix dot length. Right, guys? Next column value. How we are going to be find the column value? Matrix of 0 dot length. Guys, you can use anything, no issues. Even you can use 1, you can use 2, like that, no issues, no issues. Okay, guys. Now let's print it out first. Then we can sort it out. First, we are going to be print this one. Guys, please check this one, guys. How I am going to be implementing this. Guys, this is the actual value ij, right? Okay, guys. I'm calling this method from here and giving the array. Let's check, guys, what will happen. Wait a second, guys. Let's check, guys, what will happen. Same values which we have given, it came. But I don't need that one. I need to sort based on this row first element. Let's check how I'm going to be sort the element. Guys, this is a predefined one. You can check arrays, java.util package, arrays dot sort, S-O-R-T, sort. Here I'm going to be give the two parameters. First one, my two-dimensional matrix array name. Here you can give any name. Let's suppose I have given X. Here also you have to give X, comma, one arrow function. Okay, guys. I am taking here A minus B. There are these are represent the actual rows, guys. A is one row, is B is one row. You can give here also any name, no issues. A of 0 minus B of 0. Okay. We have sorted. This is a simple one line program. We have sorted. Let's try to print it out. What will happen? Guys, try to understand how it is going to be print. Okay, guys. Guys, you can check. We have given 1, 4, 7. Okay, let's suppose I have given here, instead of the 1, I have given 8 here. 8 here. Okay, the first one you can see, yeah, in which order we have given 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which order we have given, that is we have printed. But after sorting algorithm based on the first one, which one is the smallest one? 8, 4, 7. Which is the smallest one? 4. So this row it becomes the first. The next one, 7 is smaller, next second. So that will be second one. 8 is the larger one, so it will be back here. Okay, guys. Let's suppose I don't need first element. I need second element. So let's check how we are going to be do. I have given A1 minus B1 here. This one, guys, 2, 5, 8. Let's check what will happen, guys, here. Guys, you can see which element, which order I have given, same order it came. Why? Because the second elements, one element, the first one, 2 will be smaller, 5 will be second smaller, and third, 8 will be highest one. So that's why it will come here. Let's suppose here I am given 8, 12. 12 I have given. Let's check what will happen, guys. The 12 is the highest one, right? So that's why it came down. I hope you clear on this one, guys. Okay, guys, I am giving here 113. I have given here 16. I have given here the second elements, here to third element. Let's check what will happen, guys, here. The you can see 7, 8, 9 is the small one, ninth one is the small one, but it came first. Okay, guys. I hope you understand. Guys, here based on this one, which one is the smaller one that will come? Let's suppose 9 minus 13. Which one is the small 9 minus 13? It will give the value of 4. So that's why this smaller value comes first. Let's suppose if I given reverse way, B2, A2. Let's check what will happen in this case. Guys, remember is the 4, 8, 9. It is starting of 4, 8, 9. After that, in what it came? 4, 5, 16. So highest value came first. Understand, guys? Guys, based on the your requirement here, this is the you have to remember this one. Arrays dot this one you have to remember. But here this thing you have to do based on your requirement. I hope you clear on this one, guys. Please let me know. Okay, fine, guys. These are the, I can say, basic can't understand. Okay, what you can't understand here? The sorting algorithm, how sort will work, you didn't understand. Okay, fine. Guys, how we are going to be print first as it is traversing, you know, right? Traversing, I have given 8, 12, 3, 4, 5, 16, 7, 8, 9, I have given. I have printed this one in first order as by it comes as it is, right, guys? Now I want to sort based on the particular index based on this one. Guys, based on, let's suppose I will give you here one example, you will understand better. Guys, please try to understand. I have given one example here. 8, 4, 7, and 3, 8, and 9. Here, like suppose 10, 10, and let's suppose 7 and 8. I have given one array like this. Like this. Okay, guys. Now what will happen, guys? It is going to be checked like this. We have given first element, so this one. Guys, what it will do? It will take, let's suppose it will take like this. This is the A, it will take, this is B. Guys, you can check A of 0 and means 8 minus B of 0 means 3. Which is smaller, guys? 8 minus 5 is 8 minus 3 is 5. Right, guys? 5. So let's suppose we compare this one 8 and 10. 8 and 10. A of 0 minus B of 0. It will give the guys, you have to understand one thing here. Wait a second, guys. If you do like that, A of 0 minus B of 0, it will give the which is the lowest between these two things. It will return internal implementation. It's somewhat difficult. I'm not going to be explained here. You have to remember one thing simply, which is the smaller one, these two things, 8 and 3. 3 is smaller, so that will be comes first. 8, 3, 8, 7. That row will comes first. That row will comes first. Next is, it is going to be checked for these two, 8 and 10. Which is the smaller one? 8 one is the smaller one. 8, 4, 7, second row, and last one will be 10, 7, 8. In this way, it is going to be sort. Let's suppose I have given another one. No, it's not sort the entire row. Based on the, no, it will compare which index you have given. It will compare that index only. For example, we have given here A of 0 I have given. Mean 0th index. It is going to be compare only 0th index. Let's suppose I have given here 1. A of 1 minus B of 1. So what will do? It will check only the first index. First index. Which one is the smaller one, guys? 4, 8, 7. Which one is smaller? 4. So that row will come first. 8, 4, 7. This is the first row. Next one, what is the second one? 4, 8, 7. Which is the second one? This seventh one is second one. So that's why that row is going to be print now. 10, 7, and 8. The last one, 13, 8, and 9. I hope you're clear. In which order you have given, which element, based on that element is going to be sort. Guys, it is not the sort these elements, these row inside the row elements. It is just check with the which column you have given. Here you have 1 is given. So 1, we are going to be check this one. Here we have, let's suppose here you have 0, you have, sorry, this is 1 means this one, guys. You have 1 you have given, let's suppose. So 1 will be the first one, it is going to be checked. Let's suppose you have given A of 2, these 2 column it is going to be checked. Yeah, there are the number of other options also there. Those are not enough. This is okay. Those are not needed for the DSA, guys. This is up to this sorting algorithm. This is fine to solve the any question, guys. Like all the interval questions, we can easily solve based on the this simple one line. You have to remember this one. Arrays dot sort of. Here give which is your matrix name. You have to give that 2 elements. Arrow function. Which index you need? A of 0 minus B of 0. This will give the lowest to highest, guys. Lowest to highest. No, if you need only highest one, how to do? B of 0 minus A of 0. That's it. This is the simple one. Okay, guys. These are the basics for the matrices, guys. Matrix. As of now, the basics of the all the things have been completed. Arrays we have completed basic. Now recursion related I have completed basics, and strings we have completed basics. Yeah, I will tell you that is not needed now. But while application development, that time I will tell you how to we can sort. I will send you. I forgot that one. Now only I will send you. Wait. I have done already. Okay, I will send, guys. No worries, I will send you. I will send that one also. I forgot actually. Okay, we have completed basics of arrays and other concepts. We have completed recursion and strings. Today we have completed basics of the matrix, and we have covered array list basics and set basics and hash map basics. We have completed these very important things. These basics are completed. Now, these coming 10 days, I'm going to be solve more questions on this, guys. Next 10 days. Guys, actually, I wanted to complete within 2 weeks only, but I'm unable to complete because I'm not taking more than 1 hour. I'm not taking more than 2 hours daily. So that's why I feel little bit difficult for me to take continuously like every day 2 hours. So that's why I'm going to take another 10 days extra to solve more questions, guys. Okay, guys, I'm ending the session now. I'm ending the session now. Tomorrow session will be like evening 4 to 5. I will start at 4 or 5 p.m. and it will go up to at least 2.5 hours, guys. So it will at least like up to 7 p.m. guys. 4 to 5 to 7. I will tell you that tomorrow it will be very important session, guys. Like we'll solve some questions on intervals first. This is the very hard topic, intervals. This is the hard level question, guys. We'll make it hard to very easy level. How I'm going to be implement, I will show you. Let's solve at least like different intervals is there, like period timetable related and events, how to make the events, and some platform related questions. We are going to be solved tomorrow. Let's solve at least like hard level question, guys. Will come from the hard level to medium level tomorrow. Then after that, I will solve very important question is spiral matrix, spiral printing. Spiral printing means, right? Let's suppose they have given one matrix. You have to print in this order. In this order, you have to print. In this order, you have to print. And this is the one way. Sometimes they may give you like this, guys. They may start from here. They may ask you to do this one. This format, they may ask you sometimes. Guys, if you know this concept, like what will be the rows and 0, 0 to m minus n to n minus n. If you know that one, you can easily solve this question. I will tell you. On campus interview or the technical support. Bro, why you go for the technical support, man? Or why you go technical support? I ask you to no need for the actually night shift. You may feel like a hell. Initially, it will be good, but I don't recommend like if you are try at least some days. If you try hardly, you can easily get into MTS, means software developer. No need to go for the like just a technical support things, guys. You may spoil your life. Like night shift, if you work on the night shift, initially it will be good. But after marriage or sometimes you may feel very difficult. Night shifts is not good. If you're a bachelor, is okay, but you are not going to be bachelor lifelong, right? So don't go for this one. Like tech support, that type of role, tech support. If you want to be settled in your life with the in like after future is supposed to be good, better to go for the software development. At least for the tester also fine. You may work in only general shift only. Guys, don't go for this one, guys. My suggestion is tech support is waste of time. In night shift means what? Night shift means you are going to be spoil your health, guys. So I won't recommend to anyone to join for this one. If you are not interested in programming, so then only no other option, then only you can go. But if you are good at programming, that time you no need to go for the tech support, guys. That's a waste of time. Okay, guys, I'm ending the session now. Tomorrow I will I will explain you some important questions, guys. Okay, I'm ending the session, guys.